Schleuniger UniStrip 2550 is a fully programmable stripping machine offering high precision and flexibility. Taking your wire processing one step further, the UniStrip 2550 expands your application range with its ability to use interchangeable blade sets, such as radius blades, die blades, flat blades, and more. The highly responsive trigger sensor is automatically set according to the selected wire size, allowing small, flexible wires to be processed with precision and ease. Processing applications range from full and partial strips to many unique applications, such as Recut, multi-strip, Regrip, and shorten function. With the ability to use multiple radius, flat, and U-contour blade types, processing of flat materials is now possible in a fully programmable benchtop solution. Using the color touchscreen interface, the operator selects the desired wire size from the pre-programmed library and then edits the stripping and pull-off lengths as required, and the machine is ready for operation. In the extended wire screen, up to 1,000 wire programs can be stored and quickly recalled. Adjustment of all processing parameters is possible for programming more complex applications. With the optional barcode scanner, increased efficiency can be realized and loading of incorrect wire programs avoided. Blade changes are software guided and can be quickly made with only a few simple steps. A variety of gripper jaw types are available and also easily exchanged. With features such as networking capability, program backup to USB, illuminated work area, and multiple language support, the versatility of the UniStrip 2550 sets the next standard for benchtop wire stripping. The repeatability of the programmed values make the UniStrip 2550 extremely accurate, and its user-friendly operation, mechanical precision, and short cycle times have been shown to yield significant improvements in productivity and higher process reliability.